So it says right here it's 12 inches tall. So I know that the one leg is 12. It says the diagonal distance from one corner to the other is 20 inches.
What?
So we're trying to find this. And I can kind of see that 12 does not look like a 12. So let me make it look like a 12. If you're looking at this, we know a leg. Is 20 going to be a hypotenuse or a leg? You can just shout it out. Is that going to be a hypotenuse or a leg? Nobody's muted. You can shout out. Is the 20 going to be a hypotenuse or a leg?
It's a hypotenuse.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, so you've got 12 squared plus x squared equals 20 squared. If you watched the video the other day, or if you saw the one where you're doing the thing, I showed you that all you have to do is 20 squared, or your hypotenuse, minus your leg squared, and that'll get you your answer. So I'm going over to my calculator. I'm going to type 20 squared. I'm going to subtract 12 squared. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to get 256. Square root of 256 is 16. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to hit 16, and we're going to get a brilliant, a fantastic, a terrific, wonderful. Next one. Okay. Nicole is in a hot air balloon that has just taken off and is floating above its launching point. Candace is standing on the ground 15 meters away from the launching point. If Nicole and Candace are 17 meters apart, how high up is Nicole? Check this out. So here's the hot air balloon going up in the air. Here is Candace is 15 meters away from the point where it went up at. They're 17 meters apart. And we're trying to find this. Once again, we're given the hypotenuse. We're given a leg. We're solving for the missing leg. So I'm going to do the hypotenuse squared minus one of the legs squared. And we're going to take the square root of that to get our answer. I'm just typing in what you would type in your calculator. Okay, so let's go over to the calculator. Go ahead and hit that. So we're going to do 17 squared. What was the other leg? Was it 15 squared?
Yeah.
Just make sure you are paying attention. My son is screaming in the background for whatever reason. We're going to get 64. The square root of 64, I hope you guys know already, is going to be 8. And we're done.
Hey, Griffin, Josie is muted.
Josie is muted. Okay, hold up.
So is it basically you're going to take the two numbers you have and square them and then add them, and then you get that answer?
That's okay. So yes, Riley K. That is if you're given the two legs. Like right now, you're given.
That was me.
Who was that?
Was
Moana. Sorry. Is everybody unmuted that wants to be unmuted now?
Yeah.
Find out who Moto E5 Cruise is for me, somebody, so I can give them their points, or they can. Okay, so Moana. On the ones that you're given, like this one, 3 ballet dancers are positioned on stage. If Aaron is 12 meters straight behind Mika and Candace is 5 directly to the left, this one you're doing the adding like you were talking about. So, like the hardest part about this one is you have to visualize. So you got Aaron 12 meters straight behind Mika. So I'm going to put Mika here. Aaron is 12 meters behind her. And then Candace is 5 meters directly left of Candace. Okay. So then you're basically, you've got your 12, you've got your 5, and 1. Yeah, you're solving for a diagonal here, which we just did a problem like this earlier, and you end up getting 13. Remember that one?
Yeah.
I hope I get this right. Yep. All right.
Griffin,
Yeah.
should I put Danny DeVito on the screen?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
As long as he's got a shirt on, I don't care.
I'm doing